tiny, soft, and full of fun. Let's meet babies one by one. Baby cat is called a kitten, soft and warm, loves to mitten. Baby dog is a puppy, jumping, wagging, always happy. Baby cow is a calf, moo moo moo, stays with mama all day through. Baby sheep is a lamb, ba ba, fluffy friend, we love you all. Baby horse is a fool, so fast, running, playing in the grass. Baby duck is a duckling, swimming, splashing, oh so cuddling. Baby hen is a chick so small, peep peep sound, we love them all. Baby pig is a piglet, rolling round, little wiglet. Baby lion is a cub, grrr, playing near mama's hug. Baby frog is a tadpole, swimming in a tiny bowl. Baby animals big and small, we love you all. Clap your hands and sing with cheer, baby animal song is here.